Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to bonk update today. Bonk is actually still bullish, right? So I'm actually on the weekly time frame, and one more thing is we do not miss out on the August private entry. August can be a good month, and I think that you might actually want to join the private entry for August. And down the road, this is my private, one of the messages on private. I have this coin that I think it's a secret coin that may crash down in September. It is actually up right now, but it may actually crash in September, and if I give you an entry, it can actually jump out by December, and you may actually even win a 500%, 100% at least, 2x out of this coin on the private. So that is something that I've been looking at for many weeks now, and that is something I think that you should be on the private to actually catch this one. It's actually one of those top priority trading, because this is a long time pattern. This is like a one whole year. You can see it's from 2024 data. So rarely do you get coins like this, and these are just one of those coins that is really worth to give you out for you to trade. Previously I gave you Polkadot when I told you to message me on Discord and tell you a coin that's gonna do 2x. So I gave you Polkadot when it was at $3.4. Today Polkadot is already trading at 4.559. I already have it on my watch list. So these are the things, these are the things where you have those amazing moments in crypto, and one of them can actually come in September. We also opened up for August. You may actually want to join for August as well. Now you see 3 white soldiers is been printed out on BONK. Today is Monday and the new week actually started, and I told you before that if you close and you make 3 green candles, that actually means you're still very bullish. Now there's one exception, and that is whenever you make 3 white soldiers, normally this next candle, I mean in the next 6 days, right, this weekly candle, by the way, this week we're talking about, can be red, and it's going to still be a part of the script. It's not necessarily that it's going to be red. I'm not saying it's completely necessary for this to be red, but there are high chances that normally you'll have this as red, and then next week you will have a doji, and then the next week after that you continue to go to the upside. So if we do see 2 weeks of consolidation, I just want to let you know that it is normal. It might just be normal, but still the good thing is it might actually be bullish. Now one more thing is, even on the daily time frame, we have another 3 white soldiers right here. So still the prices are pointing that it's still going to continue to go on and break above 4,162. I think this is still quite bullish, and even though it is really high, but it actually does still seem as if the coin is really not ready to just give up just yet. And on the 1 hour time frame, right now you're just consolidating. There's nothing much in here. So you're kind of like breaking from that particular area, and you haven't retested this. Now if you ever drop to the downside, you probably, if you just ever see the prices go down a little bit, and by the way, for the prices to go down, I think you might want to just break this support as well. So let's actually bring the support, and let's actually put the support just like that. And yes, if you just try to go below the support here and you lose the support, then you could actually do something where you retrace to 25.55, and then from there bounce off here and continue, because by doing this you'll just take away a lot of stop losses of a lot of people who are trying to long the market, grab liquidity, wash out the people who are bullish, and then they turn bearish, and then finally you continue and you break above here, because the weekly time frame script. All right, let's just keep things simple. I don't really know if there's going to be a correction. Honestly, it is hard to say, because by the end of the day, it's really hard to say if you're going to have a correction when you're still having bullish candles, which are continuation candles. So whether you have a correction down and go up or move to the upside, you're somehow bound to still continue above 4096. I just don't know how exactly you can trade this, where you can enter these entries at the moment. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.